Now given that log A3 is 0.477 and log A5 is 0.699, I would like to evaluate log A9 over 5/8. Okay, so of course, what I can probably do is I work backwards. Okay, I work backwards and then I look at this from the answer. Log A 9 over 5A, right? By using the quotient law of logarithms, I can split it into log A9 minus log A 5A. Alright, so the thing is I have all these, right? May not be able to do what I want yet. I know that I have log A3. So given this 9 by now, you should be familiar that 9 can easily be associated to 3, right? So it's 3 power 2. Okay, and log A5, I can see this as a log A5 plus log AA, right? Because I'm using the product. So a lot of you during the marking of the assignment, I realized that you didn't put the plus here. When you put the plus, you forgot to put a bracket. So in the end, this was a plus instead of an actual minus, because if you remember, this is the one that's being expanded into this, right? So there must be a bracket. Okay, so it's in fact equals to by the power law, I can bring the 2 in front. I can bring the 2 in front by power law, because remember that log a b to the power r, right, it's the same as r log ab. Okay, so this is the power law. I'm utilizing the power law of logarithms. So this is just a log a3 minus log a5 minus log aa. Log a3 is basically the answer that we have earlier, which is 0.477 minus a log a5, which is 0.699, and log aa basically just 1, and we obtain our answer to be negative 0.745. 3 significant figure.